Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get to max level in Blox Fruits. To reach the current maximum of 2,550, you must commit to a focused grind. Your strategy needs to involve careful quest selection and efficient combat. By understanding the core mechanics and optimal paths, you can significantly reduce the time spent leveling up, paving the way for advanced gameplay and powerful abilities. Your primary focus should always be on quests that provide maximum experience for your level. Avoid getting sidetracked by low-yield activities, as these will slow your progress considerably. Consider using a fruit like the Blox Fruit, which simplifies grinding with its large hitboxes and defensive bonuses. Partnering with friends for tougher boss battles also ensures quicker completion and shared rewards, making the grind more enjoyable and efficient. Advancing through islands is crucial. Always progress to the next zone once you are strong enough. The first sea covers levels 1 to 700, the second sea from 700 to 1,500, and the third sea from 1,500 to the max level of 2,550. The third sea is where you will spend most of your time, repeatedly defeating high-level enemies and raid bosses for immense experience, pushing you rapidly towards your goal. To truly optimize your leveling, equip any accessories that grant an experience bonus, such as the Valkyrie helmet or the Hunter cape. These items can add a significant percentage to your gains, accelerating your progress. Always check for active experience codes and consider investing in a 2x experience game pass if you are serious about speed. Consistency is key. Even 1 hour of focused grinding each day will yield impressive results over time, propelling you to the maximum level.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.